All right, y'all, welcome back. This is Keena with Sweet Gem Life. Today we have something absolutely wonderful for you. This is a new release from Erin Condren. It is the Hello Kitty, the much anticipated Hello Kitty collection. We're gonna do an unboxing today, go through the different products and prices so that you can get your coin ready for this release. So let's get into this. Stay tuned. So I did had to cut it open, guys. I just didn't feel like struggling with this stuff on camera. So, oh, you've got quite a bit. So I'm gonna pull this here off the desk and then I'll go through it one by one. Okay, so first thing we have here is the Hello Kitty asterisk softbound notebook. And this is a softbound notebook, as I previously stated, and this will be $14 when the products are available. I'm loving the foil on this book, and it is really soft. As you can see, you can even bend it a bit. So it has the Erin Condren asterisk and the Hello Kitty here, the front, and it is college ruled lined. And it has the pale pink asterisk in the top corner, along with your satin ribbon page marker. So in the back, you just have another foil asterisk and your gold foil Hello Kitty. So as I said, these will be 14 bucks on release day. Next, we have the sticker pack. This is the sticker pack trio, and this will be on sale for $7.50. So I'll show you the back so you can see what's included, but I'll also open it so you can take a look at it. Okay, so we've got gold foil on the first sheet. Got some page flags. This is gorgeous. The second sheet has what I sometimes call silver, but it looks closer to like a gunmetal. So then you have your different icons and to do, take notes, and the silver foil. And then the third sheet is rose gold foil. You've got some full boxes, some flags, and some washi strips. So again, this is going for $7.50 on release day. Next up, we have, boom! This is the Deluxe what used to be the Deluxe monthly planner. It is now the monthly planner in the flower power. As you can see, they just, you know, what's not better with Hello Kitty on the top. So you have your monthly planner inserts. Obviously, this is in colorful, and I'll show you the inside cover of the front and the inside cover of the back. And you guys know you can use a wet erase marker on these. And you can wipe them off. I use Clorox wipes to wipe them off, or you can use those to go nail polish remover wipes. They will not damage your covers. So obviously the Deluxe monthly planner is $55. I will look into that and put the accurate price down here. Okay, but the covers, just the covers alone, are $8. The front and the back cover. And then we got another set of covers. This is the metallic asterisk, and these are 13 bucks. Obviously, you guys that purchase from Erin Condren know that anything with foil in it's gonna have a slightly elevated price, but this is the metallic asterisk cover. Let me open this so you can see the inside. There's the back cover, there's the front cover. You can customize them. And again, you can use your wet erase markers, dry erase markers on here. There's the inside. So there's your my second set of covers that was sent to me in addition to the Deluxe Monthly. I do already have a Deluxe Monthly. For those of you who watch my channel, I'll put my budget playlist up here so you can see how I use the Deluxe Monthly. So there's that. The next thing we have are the dual tip markers. This is a 3-pack. The name of this pack is called Cool Breeze, and it will be for $10.50 on release day. And let's do a quick pen test so you can see the different colors. Let's get a piece of paper here first. Sticky notes. So let's use the fine side. Fine. Medium. So this is like a cool gray. Fine. Medium. I don't know what to call this color. Oh, it's called Orchid. So let's back up. This is charcoal. This is Orchid. And this is Seafoam. And that is pretty. Alrighty. So again, you have your 3 markers, your 3 dual tip markers. These will be $10.50 on release. And there they are. So next we have the sticky note booklet, and this will be $12.50 on release day. Let's get this opened up here. So this is just your booklet. Comes with your elastic here where you can keep your sticky notes together. Ooh, look at that. I know people that are die-hard Hello Kitty fans and are gonna lose their ish. So you've got plenty. There's a total of 550 sticky notes in here. Just enough to satisfy all of your Hello Kitty. Oh goodness, look at this. Let's pull one off. Look at that. And you've got sticky more than halfway down the sticky note. So these are not going anywhere once you stick them where you want them. So again, these will be on sale for $12.50. There are 550 sticky notes in here, and they look like they'll match perfectly with the colorful deluxe planners or daily duos or life planner. However you plan, they'll match. Next, we have a planner charm, which I'm really excited about this because I don't have any charms on my planner. I'm trying to figure out how to get this out of the bubble wrap so you don't tear it up. So we have this gold planner charm. It does come with the lobster claw on there so that you can hook this either at the bottom or the top, whatever your fancy is, onto the coils of your planner. So this will be on sale for $8. And there's that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm glad it's in gold too. So the next item, and probably one of my favorite Erin Condren products, are these snap-in bookmarks. I love them. I don't have to go searching for my last place. And especially since you guys know I Franken plan, so I'm in 3 areas of one planner and it's busy. So we've got 3 snap-in bookmarks, and they are a lavender, a cream, and a pinkish color, and they all have the gold foil on them. So here's that. These will be on sale for $4.50 for the trio. So go and get these. I have a feeling these will be the first things to sell out because I love them. Last but not least, we have a snap-in dashboard. Oh my goodness. This is one of the only things that I have not purchased for myself personally from Erin Condren, and I'm glad I have it now because now I have it to use. So this is a two-sided metallic dashboard. These will be on sale for $5.50. So again, just like your front and rear covers of your planners, you can use the dry erase markers and to clean them or to remove the writing. To use it again, you can use nail polish remover or a Clorox wipe, any of those. So the front just has some lines so you can write on. It says enjoy the little things, and it has the Hello Kitty and the asterisk and gold foil. And on the back, you have the days of the week. So you can use this for meal planning or your cleaning tasks for the week. If you're like me, you break them down so you don't have to do everything in one day. And then they just snap into your planner and you can move them however you please. So that was the last item of the box. Again, the snap-in to-do list will be on sale for $5.50. Okay guys, so this is everything that I was sent from the Hello Kitty collection release. I want to take this opportunity to thank the ladies and gentlemen over at Erin Condren, Tori, Tanya, Samantha. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for sending me this stuff. Guys, run and get it. I have a very good feeling this collection is not gonna last long. Again, the release date is August 13th, and it'll be available. Run, run, run. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.